So, let's cut to the chase. Google is gearing up to shake up the flagship game with the Pixel 10 lineup, and from what the leaks are saying, it's going to be huge. We're not just talking about one or two phones. No, Google's reportedly going all in with a full roster. Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and a foldable beast, possibly dubbed the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. While Google's staying tight-lipped for now, the rumor mill is working overtime, and it's giving us a pretty clear picture of what's cooking. The biggest headline? Cameras. The standard Pixel 10 might finally step into the big leagues with a triple camera setup. That's right, Google could be adding a dedicated telephoto lens, which would be a major leap over the traditional wide plus ultra-wide combo we've seen in base models. Here's the catch though. Some reports suggest the main and ultra-wide sensors might actually take a dip to 48 megapixel and 13 megapixel respectively, with a 10.5 megapixel selfie cam up front. That's a step down on paper from the Pixel 9's 50 megapixel and 48 megapixel combo. But don't panic, Google's software processing is still among the best in the game. Now, if you're all about camera muscle, the Pro and Pro XL versions are expected to hold the line with the 50 megapixel plus 48 megapixel plus 48 megapixel setup we saw on the Pixel 9 Pro. Basically, the same firepower with possibly better AI tweaks. Speaking of AI, Tensor G5 is tipped to be the chip powering the entire Pixel 10 family. And if Google's I/O showcase was anything to go by, you can bet these devices will be loaded with Gemini AI tools. We're talking next-gen editing, smarter voice features, real-time translation, the works. As for the display and battery, the regular Pixel 10 is rumored to pack a 6.3-inch screen, a 4700 mAh battery, and launch with Android 16 right out the gate. Plus, higher PWM dimming is reportedly in the mix to reduce eye strain, big win for long screen time users. Visually, Google's sticking to what works. Expect that signature camera bar and a clean matte finish, refined, not reimagined. And finally, mark your calendars if Google sticks to its playbook. The Pixel 10 series should make its grand entrance sometime in August. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming Pixel 10 series? Drop your opinions in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.